Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a pancake today. A pancake, this you need a flat pat. You need spoon, flat spoon like this. Then you need a clean bowl. You need a clean bowl and the fork and the water and the cooking oil. And this is the pancake mix. Okay, this pancake mix I buy this from Walmart. That's their brand. The Walmart brand is very cheap. I think $2.50 for this big pack. I think that's very great, very cheap. So let's start it. So I'm gonna pour some. I already open it. We're gonna pour some pancake mix to the bowl. So we're gonna put some the pancake mix to it. This is the pancake mix. You're gonna put enough whatever you need, because I'm making it for 4 people. So I'm gonna put enough of it, okay? Okay, so that's the pancake mix I already put in the bowl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a water and put some water on it. Okay, it needs to be a loose batter, okay? It don't need to be very dry, it needs to be very loose. You need to be mixing it, you don't need no lump on it. You want to make sure there's no lump inside, okay? The way I'm mixing it right now, that's how you do it. You don't need no lump. If you see it's more drier, you put some more water, okay? That's how you do it. Because if it's more loose too, you can add more flour to it, okay? But mine look like it's perfect. I don't need to put no flour on it because it's supposed to be loose. It's not supposed to be very thick, because if you do it the thick way, it would not be a pancake. I did not put no egg on it, nothing, okay? If you want to, you can add some more cooking oil to it if you want to. But this is the much easier way to do it, trust me. The pancake will come right and beautiful just like the other pancakes, okay? You just need a flat, you need some flat pan. Because sometimes it seems some people are adding like an egg to the pancake. If you want to, you can add that, but to me, like, that's just wasting your egg, okay? This is the best way. You see? Very loose. All right, now, so this is the pan. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put the stove on. So let's start doing the pancake, and I'm gonna bring like okay, now the pot is hot. That's my cooking oil. You put the cooking oil next to you. This is a tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of oil and I put in a pan. Okay, that's just too hot. I'm gonna put it lower, and I'm gonna make sure the oil is everywhere on the pan, okay? Because you really need that. Like what I was saying, you need to make sure you put the cooking oil everywhere to the pan, right? So if you do that, this is the pancake. So I just take like a big spoon like this, and you're gonna add it right here. And if I do that, what I do, I always do this. Then you're gonna make sure you see your pancake is bubbling, right? If it's bubbling, you're gonna try to lift it up, okay? If it's time. So let's wait a little bit, let it bubble more. They say this pan is non-stick pan. Sometimes, man, they will lie to you. It's most non-stick pan, and you're gonna buy it, and it will be sticky. Okay, work. All right, so that's my pancake. I told you guys, you don't need no egg on your pancake. Your pancake gonna be nice and soft and fluffy like the way you want it. Your pancake gonna be nice and fluffy like the way you want it. Very easy to make a pancake, trust me. Look like the oil was not enough for me. Because if you don't put enough oil to it, right, sometimes it will stick in the bottle. But you see, I think it's getting. Alright, you flip it to the other side. Voila! That's how you do the pancake, bro. My pancake is nice and beautiful. We're gonna do one more, and I'm gonna show you guys one more, and after I'm gonna finish doing all my pancake, and after I'm gonna show you guys how to make the pancake sauce, okay? The sauce, the one you put on top of your pancake to make the pancake taste much better and look like a restaurant pancake, okay? So that's my pancake, the one I made, and I'm gonna put more oil, okay? Because I know how much oil I'm putting. So if you knew, like the way I told you, like 1 big tablespoon. That oil is a little bit in there, it's too much, but that's okay. I know how to manage it. I'm gonna add one more. See, that's a good measurement. Everybody have this in your kitchen, because this is like for the soup. When you finish cooking the soup, you're gonna use this, right? So this is a good tool for the pancake too. All right now. So when it's bubbling, you're gonna flip it, okay? Pancake don't cook that much longer. So you see, very easy to make a pancake. My pancake is nice and goldy, just like the way I want it. You let it cook. This is the rest of it, and I'm gonna keep in doing it until I'm finished doing the rest, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this sauce, okay? This is how you do your pancake. If it's a little bit sticky, right, you make sure you put the oil like this. You want to make sure the oil is go under it. That's why sometimes we put a little bit of excess oil, because when it's sticky, when you put the oil, you will let it loose. See, just let it loose for me, and I'll flip it to the other side, nice and goldy. So I'm gonna do the rest of it, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, okay? Okay, now so I'm finished doing my pancake. My pancake look beautiful. So it's time to this. You need a clean plate when you're making the egg soup. I got like 7 eggs. So my pan is too hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove a little bit out of the stove. So I'm gonna beat the eggs, and I'm gonna put some seasoning to it. So I'm gonna add my chicken seasoning. This chicken seasoning is very good and very cheap. When you go to Walmart, I think it's $1. You can beat that seasoning, man. That seasoning is cheap and it's very tasty. So this is 7 eggs. because I'm cooking for 4 people right now. So you see my pot got oil already, so I'm gonna just make sure the oil is everywhere. You need to beat your egg a little bit nicely, okay, so the seasoning gonna be all over. I always do this and try it on my tongue if it's nice and seasoned like the way I want it. So I'm gonna the pancake, the excess pancake inside the oil, I'm gonna remove that and put them in the sink. Alright, so let's start frying the eggs too. This is the egg, you're gonna pour some eggs. That's what I do. When you fry egg, it's almost like if you're doing a pancake, okay? You're gonna wait like a bubble. After when it bubble, you're gonna start removing it little by little. Oops. And I'm folding it. Because you don't want the egg to be stick to in the pan. And I'm gonna flip it now because it was too big to flip. So I need to fold it. You can do like a scrambled eggs if you want to, okay? My egg, the way I'm frying my egg, the way you like your egg, you can fry your egg like the way you want, okay? You don't need to fry like the way I fry, okay? So let me remove the egg and put my egg in the side because I don't want to overcook my egg. Okay. That's the first batch of my egg I just put. So I need some more cooking oil. I just add some more cooking oil. I needed more. And I'm gonna add some more egg to it. Probably the way I'm frying my egg, some people don't like to fry the egg like that, but hey, you can fry your egg. The way I'm frying my egg, probably some people don't like to fry their egg like that. You're welcome the way you like to fry your egg, okay? I just pushed my my plate a little bit close because it was a little bit far away. I don't want my eggs to be falling there. Alright, so finish. I got a little bit egg left. Let me fry those first, and after I'm gonna show you guys how to make the pancake sauce, okay? So it's time to make the sauce now. The sauce I'm making a country cherry. This is country cherry. You go to Walmart and you can find this is very cheap. They have in a container like this. And this is strawberry, Walmart brand too, very cheap. Both of them are cheap. So you need like a clean bowl like this, okay? You need a clean bowl. So what I do, I already open it, right? And I'm gonna pour this in the pan. Just like that. So after pouring it, sometimes what I do, I will open this and mix it because sometimes this is not sweet enough. Okay, if you try. Okay, this other one is a little bit sweet. because sometimes they can come sometime like a very sour, and I don't like the sour taste. But this one is a little bit in the sweet side, a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add some more cherry to it. It will give you more extra nice flavor to it. That's what I do a lot of time. Okay, I just take one big scoop of the cherry jam and put on it. I'm gonna take one more because it's hard to take it like that with one hand. So I'm gonna put that and mix them together. What I do with this, if I have the extra left, I always put in the fridge for the next day. Or if I don't need it, what I do, I will put it like in a container like this, like a plastic container with the lid, and freeze it. I will freeze it anytime I need it. It's ready, nice and mixed. I'm just gonna defroze it and use it again, and it will be good. You can put this for a month in the fridge anytime you need it, and come in defroze it. And I tried, when you put the strawberry on it, give you a nice good flavor to it. So I just do that. So now I'm gonna make the plate. Okay, this is a pancake, right? And you take a pancake, put your pancake in the plate. I'm making my husband plate right now, and I will take, so my hand is clean. Okay, so I'm gonna put the eggs on the side like this, and this is the sauce, and I'm gonna take some sauce, put it on top of it. Okay, alright, that's my finished product. You see how it look fancy? It look like if you go to the restaurant, they serve you eggs and the pancake. This is how your pancake gonna come look like a lot of time though. Alright, so thank you for watching our cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna make, and please enjoy my video. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and love you guys so much. If you guys have a question, y'all can write me. I will try my best and respond back. Okay, I want you guys to know I love you guys so much to be watching my video. Keep watching my video. I'm gonna keep posting more new video. Okay, I'm gonna try my best, and love you guys so much. Okay, bye.